Hi guys, Peter here. One of the most common usages of 3D printing at home is printing little gifts and knickknacks for your friends and loved ones. And since I just got this very interesting looking copper composite filament, we'll look at how to design, print and finish a small ring from this very interesting material. So let's get into it. Now we have two possibilities. We could either design or sculpt our own ring design, or search one of the many 3D printing model databases. For the sake of keeping this video short, we'll choose the latter and search Thingiverse for a nicely designed ring. After going through the list of several designs, we're going to settle on this cool looking ring or bracelet by user Makealot, link in the description, and download it. After it's downloaded, we're going to open it in the 3D viewer and look at how eye-catching this design is. It's going to be harder model to print than just a simple ring, but those intricate details will look amazing in our metallic filament. Alright guys, with the model in our hands, we finally get to slice it and print it, so stay tuned for the next video. Like this video if you liked it, share it if you found it interesting, and subscribe to see more 3D printing content.